I hope everybody is doing fine. So, till question number 7 of exercise 8.3 was done the previous day. Clear? Now we have to start off with question number 8. Question number 8 and 9 were given as a homework, and very few students have done it. So it's very sad to see that very few students have done what's been given. Now over here, cot A is equals to 4 by 3. Is it clear? Now you have to see if this quantity is equal to this quantity or not. So basically you have to calculate LHS, and then you'll have to calculate RHS, and then go on to see whether these two are similar or not. Since cot A is given, what do we require out here? Tan A, cos A and sin A, right? First thing we will do out here is draw a triangle. Let this be A, C and B. Is it clear? This is our angle A. So according to this, is this 4K and 3K? Please don't ask me, sir, how? Does anyone has any problem in this? Please confirm. By Pythagoras theorem, can we get this quantity as 25's root or 5K? Yes or no? So all the simple quantities will be coming out from here. Tan A will be reciprocal of this 3 by 4. Sin A will be how much? 3 by 5. Cos A will be how much? 4 by 5. Is it clear? These three quantities have come out. Now you'll ask me, sir, how do we know that these three quantities are required? Because you see out here, these three quantities are only have to be evaluated. Is it clear or not? Cos A, sin A, tan A, nothing else. And last day also this was made clear that tan square A is equals to how much? Tan A's whole square. Yes or no? Similarly, cos square A will be equals to cos A whole square. Confirm, yes or no? Was this said? Now, can anybody tell me what is the value for LHS out here? Tell me the value for LHS, that is 1 by 1 minus tan square A, and make sure you have drawn this figure also. 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. What is the value for this LHS quantity? Yes, anyone? Hurry up, hurry up. Don't tell me you're finding it difficult to find this. No one? Chat box. Type it in the chat box. How much? 7 by 25. 16 minus 9. Go on to find the value for RHS. RHS will be cos square A minus sin square A. Or simply you could write cos A whole square minus sin A whole square. Tell me the value for this. Seven by 25. Can we say that these two quantities are equal? Yes or no now? Now people who are not done with this, it's a very simple one. I would expect you to copy the entire thing from here. I'm pausing the video and let me know when it's done. Can we move on to the next numerical? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Without further ado, we'll start off with the next numerical, which is question number 9 out here. Tan A has been given to us as 1 by root 3. Is it clear? We have to find out the value for sin A, cos C plus cos A sin C. Now, I think calculation of sin A and cos A will not be a difficult task, but there will be a bit of issues in finding C's angle. So, first of all, what you have to draw is draw a triangle. First, let this be A, B, and C. Clear? Now, according to this, tan theta is equals to, let the perpendicular be K and base is equals to root 3K, yes or no? So this is our perpendicular K, this is our base root 3K, yes or no? Can we get this by Pythagoras theorem? P square plus B square is equals to H square. Can we get this how much? 2K. K square plus 3K square is equals to H square. H will be equals to root over 4K square equals to 2K. I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now, when we have all the values of the sides, can we calculate sin A and cos A from here? Sin A will be how much? BC by AC equals to K by 2K or 1 by 2, yes or no? Similarly, cos A will be how much? AB by AC, which is root 3 by 2, yes sir, no sir, any problem? Any question till this much? But over here there is a small twist. We need cos C and sin C also. Cos C will be how much? Now look very carefully. This is now C, this has become the perpendicular, this has become the base, and this will always remain the hypotenuse irrespective of the angles. Clear? Now what will be cos C? Base by hypotenuse, BC by AC. Again 1 by 2 by getting. Any doubt in this much? Yes sir, no sir. And sin C will be how much?
AB by
Very good. AB by AC. Clear? How much? Root 3 by 2. Now, do I need to tell you that find this one? Hurry up, solve it and tell me the answer for the first one. That is, therefore, my therefore is getting erased. Therefore, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Kindly do one thing, substitute the values and tell me the answers fast. I will not be multiplying it for you. Hurry up. Yes, Neil, Anandajit or Kunil. Type the answer. Only the answer, type it out. 1 you are getting. All 3 people have got 1. Anyone else? 4 have got 1. Anyone else? Multiply. Look out here. Sin A cos C. Na? This into this means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus this one into this one. Our work is done. Nothing difficult. Nothing. This will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1/4 plus 3/4. I don't think you have to tell me that it's 1. Yes sir, no sir. Can we calculate the next part? Very easily. First of all, tell me the value for cos A. Everything is given only out. We have already calculated everything. I don't think it will be a difficult one for you all. Can kindly do one thing, copy the first one if people are not done with it, and tell me the answer for the next one. This is till the first one, and the next one you'll have to tell me now. Sarkar, Shamuji Sarkar has told me 0, Anantaji 0, Trideep 0. Arya Bhatta Tofa, everybody is giving right now. Yes, anyone else? Hurry up, hurry up. Sheel has told me 21. Tatta. Bodhishota has told me that. Who else? Who else? Who else? That will be it, I think. Did everybody get the answer 0? If not, then please copy this down. And I would expect question number 10. People who are done with this too will be doing question number 10. I'll pause the video. What is the rest of you doing? Very good, Bodhishota. I'm highly impressed. Very good. Look very carefully. PQR is a right angle triangle. I hope people are done with this one. No issues in this one. Question number 10 now. PR plus QR is this much. PQ is this much. They have to determine the values for sin P, cos P and tan P. Right angle at Q. Move. P, Q, R. I'll take this as P and this as R. Clear? This is right angle. PR plus QR. This is equals to 25 and PQ is equals to 5. So what should we do out here now? Can you assume this as X and this as 25 minus X? Will it be wrong, anyone? You can assume this also as X, this also as 25 minus X, doesn't really matter. Clear? Now according to Pythagoras theorem, when you apply out here, PQ square plus RQ square will be equals to PR square, yes or no? PQ square will be 25 square of this, you leave it like this. 25 minus X whole square is equals to X square, yes or no? Then you square this one open, expand it. 625 minus 50x minus x square. Sorry, plus x square is equals to x square. X square goes off. Yes or no, sir? Over here, this will become 650. This will become 50x. Yes, sir? No, sir? The value for x is 13. Yes, sir? Or no, sir? That means we have a triangle where this is 13 and this has to be 12. Yes or no? Is there any human in this class who has difficulty in this? Anyone? No one? Because this is 13, so this has to be 12, 25 minus x, no? 25 minus 13 is 12. So we have a right angle triangle where we have got all the values. Now I don't think there will be a huge issue finding sin P. What will be sin P now? This is our P, perpendicular by hypotenuse. PQ by PR, yes or no? 12 by 13. How many have got this? Cos P will be how much now? This by PQ by PR, 5 by 13. And what will be tan P?
12 plus 5.
Very good, 12 by 5. RQ by PQ. Understood? Is this 3 clear to everyone? Now if I ask you find the value for sin R, cos R and tan R. Hurry up, I need the value for this 3 also. Let's see how many can get this answer for me. On the screen everyone, Sine r will be equals to 5 by 13, cos r will be equals to 12 by 13, and tan r will be equals to 5 by 12. How many got this answer? 2 people have answered. Correct. So Mujib Sarkar is absolutely correct and Lahiri is also very correct. Very good everyone. Did people understand how did we reach to this conclusion? Yes sir, no sir. If no, then let me know fast. This will be your solutions. People who are not done with this, please copy it down. I am pausing the video. Your assignment for today will be question number 11. Clear?